genetics is defined as, now listen sincerely. Genetics is defined as a branch of science which deals with the study of heredity and variation. And a very simple question. Genetics deals with the heredity and variation. And heredity, what is the meaning of heredity? Transmission of character from one generation to the next generation is known as kya? Heredity. And variation. What is the meaning of variation? Any change in the genetic makeup or any in the genetic makeup of the organism is referred to as variation. This genetics deals with the heredity and variation. And you know that each and every character is controlled by gene. It is very clear to all of you that it is the gene which controls each and the genetic material consists of DNA. With the exception of some bias, इतना आपको पता है बट जीन क्या होता है, जीन कहाँ रहता है, जीन किस चीज में है. Gene is present in the chromosome and it consists of DNA and the chromosomes are present in each. Gene acts as the unit of heredity and it is the gene which controls the character. इतना पता है. जब इतना, if you know all these things, now let us come to the main topic which is the genetic counseling. काउंसलिंग का भी मतलब समझते हो? काउंसलिंग, कोई आदमी कहता है हम तुम्हारा काउंसलिंग कर देंगे, यानी सजेशन है ना. काउंसलिंग मीन्स सजेशन, काउंसिल करना मतलब सजेस्ट कर देना, हाँ ये काम करो ये ना करो, ठीक है. दिस इज काउंसलिंग. तो जेनेटिक काउंसलिंग, why this genetic counseling is very important. You know, this genetic counseling of the human beings, not we are in your syllabus. You have to study the genetic counseling of human beings, not the genetic counseling of animals and plants, because the counseling can be done to the human beings. So then counseling, what is the importance of this genetic counseling? You know that in case of human being, there are many diseases. There are many diseases which are caused by the change in the gene, genetic disorder. As you said, the diseases are of three types: pathological diseases, physiological diseases, and genetic diseases. There are some diseases which are caused due to change in the gene, due to change in the number of chromosome, or due to the change in the structure of chromosome, or due to change in a particular gene. So the change in the genetic material maybe the change in the genetic material may cause disease in the human being, and the genetic diseases are caused due to the numerical change in the chromosome, due to the structural change in the chromosome, or due to the change in the chemical composition of the gene. So there are three regions, there are three causes of the genetic disorder in the human being: the chromosomal change in the number of chromosome, change in the structure of chromosome, or change in the chemical composition of gene. Gene mutation, genomatic mutation, or gene mutations may cause the disease. And now let us discuss some genetical disease in the human being. So there are some very common examples. Color blindness सुने हो कभी? color blindness, हेमोफीलिया, थैलेसीमिया होता है. थैलेसीमिया, color blindness is a genetic disorder. Hemophilia is a genetic disorder. There are three main common examples of the genetic diseases in the human being. That is the color blindness, hemophilia, thalassemia, sickle cell anemia. These are the four most common genetic diseases, which are the, again I am naming, I am citing some examples of the genetic disorder in the human being. The color blindness, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia. These are the some genetic disorder. Beside this, there are other genetic disorder which are known as Klinefelter syndrome, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome. These are the three additional genetic disorders. So just I have discussed the 7 or 8 names of the genetic disorder, like Klinefelter syndrome, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, hemophilia, color blindness, thalassemia, and sickle cell anemia. A common example is the hemophilia. Hemophilia is a genetic disease in the human being, and in this disease, when a minor cut takes place, if there is any cut in your body, what will happen? Profuse bleeding will take place, and the bleeding will not stop, and all the bloods will be out, because in the patient which are hemophilic, lack a particular uh, chemicals which help in the clotting of blood. Blood clotting does not take place, and if there is a minor cut, all the profuse bleeding will take place, and it may lead to the death. So this disease is known as the hemophilia. Hemophilia is a genetic disease which is characterized by its symptom of profuse bleeding after a minor cut, and this disease is due to the absence of blood clotting factor in the blood clotting factor, and the gene for the making this blood clotting factor is not working in the hemophilic patient, and this is the X-linked disease. The gene for this disease is located on the X chromosome of the human being. The second disease is color blindness. Is a genetic disorder in which a human being can इस कलर ब्लाइंडनेस की जिसको बीमारी होगी वो लाल और ग्रीन रंग को नहीं पहचान सकेगा, उसको पता नहीं चलेगा दिस इज रेड कलर, दिस इज अ ग्रीन कलर. So this is called the color blindness. This disease is also caused due to the some change in the genetic disorder, and the gene for this disease is also located X chromosome of the human being. धान काटने का मतलब सेमी सर्कुलर ब्लड किसी स्फेरिकल एंड सेम and oxygen carrying loss reduced in so this is third example of the genetic disorder in human. Thalassemia, color blind, Turner syndrome, and Down syndrome, stunted growth, mental. So there are various diseases which are caused due to disturbance or due to disturbance or change in the gene. Diseases are known as diseases or genetic disorder. Genetic disorder. Then what the genetic counseling done to prevent such diseases. If the gene is defective in the embryo, the gene the patient can be prevented from the proceeding and for the correction of this. So genetic counseling is done. Genetic counseling of human being is to prevent the genetic in the project. But let us define that important or counseling is done. How will you define that genetic counseling? Genetic counseling is defined as the estimate. Estimate of transmission of particular determined defective gene to the children from parent on the basis of a study of pedigree analysis is referred to as genetic counseling. Let us understand the definition of this genetic Genetic counseling is defined as the estimation. Genetic counseling is defined as the estimation of transmission of a particular defective gene to the children from the parent on the basis of study of pedigree analysis. This is the definition of genetic counseling. What is the meaning of the, what is the benefit, important benefits of the genetic counseling? Let us understand. Let us know some important features, important importance of the, there are various importance of this genetic counseling. Let us first see the first. Genetic counseling helps in producing the healthy progeny. Healthy genetic counseling helps in healthy or health of human being, which ensures better humanity. Next importance of the genetic counseling is the genetic counseling provide the much needed relief to the families with history of genetic disease. If there is prevalence or if there is any report of genetic disease in a particular family, that family can go for the genetic counseling to know whether the whether the child which is going to be born will be having defective gene or not. If the embryo is having the defective gene, the embryo can be aborted. In this way, the genetic counseling provides the much needed relief to the families with the history of genetic disease. The another benefit of the genetic counseling is that genetic counseling is useful before a before marriage, and it is useful for such families. Is history of the is genetic provide that counseling can provide advice to those group of population which have a high incidence of certain specific disease. For example, people have high incidence of sickle anemia and incidence of thalassemia in some genetic counseling can estimate the cause of having child with genetic defect and its effect. There are these some important usage or benefit of genetic counseling which I have discussed. But beside having various are some limitations of the genetic counseling.